So the problem we're trying to solve is weakness and paralysis. There's nothing to offer patients if you're weak or paralyzed, whether it's from a stroke, spinal cord injury, traumatic brain injury. Regardless of the etiology, paralysis has no treatments today. So growing up, I'd seen paralyzed children and kids in wheelchairs, and it really always broke my heart. And it was one of the reasons I wanted to go into neurosurgery, was to help that population. So what we've developed is a AI-enabled neuromodulation platform that targets peripheral nerves in the extremities, so in the arms and legs, and is able to detect very weak signals generated by the patient and essentially amplify them in real time to restore volitional movement. Being at UC San Diego was really critical for the commercialization of this technology. Being in such a rich and vibrant ecosystem where you have engineers, scientists, clinicians, entrepreneurs, and just a really rich MedTech hub made this possible. This technology will change paralysis from something that's a life sentence to something that is really treatable. It'll completely revolutionize how we look at paralysis and weakness. We could actually directly restore specific movements. And I foresee in the near future, we'd be able to completely restore very eloquent movement of your entire arm, your entire leg. And I think in a 10-year period, we could probably get a paralyzed patient to get up and walk again. Every single day I see kids, adults, just lying in bed, paralyzed, suffering, and knowing that we have technology that could completely change the course of their life is what pushes me forward every single day.